Here are the solutions to the questions that you were asked in mock exam number 2. The order may not be the same as the questions that you received, but the questions will still be the same. So starting with number 1, here's some information in red all around the question. First of all, this is from Unit 6, and the two formulas on the right-hand side are the two that you needed to apply here. So the question's asking you to essentially convert the polar equation to rectangular form. So rectangular is in terms of x and y. So when we convert this, x is equal to r, the radius, which is 5, multiplied by cosine of the angle, which is 30 degrees. We also have y, which is equal to 5 times sine of the angle, which is 30 degrees. All you need to do after this point is just enter this into your calculator, making sure you are in degree mode when you do so. And the two values that you get are 4.33 and 2.5. That matches answer D. Number 2, this is from our Unit 7, which was series, sequences, and limits. It's giving us a sequence 6, 12, 20, 30, 42, 56, and we are asked to generate the recursive formula for this. These recursive formulas don't look like the recursive formulas we studied, so this is a guess and check type of problem. Here are some things that are helpful in these formulas for you to know. First of all, n is going to be equal to the term number that you are on. So the first term, n, would be 1, and so on and so forth. T sub n is the actual term that you are on. So the first term, if n is 1, t sub n would be 12. Then t sub n minus 1 is the term before. Knowing these things will be helpful to you when you are guessing and checking. So I can start plugging some information into these formulas. The first one, t sub n, or the term, the actual term. Let's start with the second term here. So 12 is equal to the term number 2, because 12 is in the second position, plus 2 times the term before, 6, plus 1. Now, if I were to simplify this, 12 does not equal the right side of that equation, so A is not the correct answer. We could do the same thing for letter B. Letter B, the term 12 is equal to the term before, which is 6, plus 1, multiplied by the term number that we're on, which is 2, minus 2. Now I know that that's not equal to the left side of the equation, so we move on to choice C. Choice C is the term, we'll stick with that 12, is equal to 2 times the term before, plus 2, minus the term number, plus 2. If we simplify both sides, we do get 12 equals 12, which is great. However, especially because we are in a final exam setting, we need to make sure that this would continue to work. So if I were to try it for the next term, let's say 20, we need to determine if 20 will be equal to this equation as well. 2 times the term before, this time is 12, plus 2, minus, now we're on the third term, plus 2. If I simplify this right side, it will not equal the left side. So that means choice D is going to be our best choice. I'll show you the two examples for this. 12 is equal to 6 plus 2 times 2 plus 1, which is 12. And the second one, 20 is equal to 12 plus 2 times 3 plus 1. So those both check out.